Adding a payment gateway to your Google Sites webpage is a straightforward process. Let me walk you through the steps. Begin by accessing your Google Site dashboard. Once there, navigate to the upper bar where you'll find various options such as settings, sharing settings, and more. On the right side of the screen, additional options like inserting pages, selecting themes, and adding elements are available. Click on the Insert option, where you'll find a variety of elements to add to your site, including text boxes, images, and items from Google Drive. Next, select the Buttons option, where you can add a button to your site. In the fields provided, enter the name of the button and the link it should direct to. For example, if you're selling a product, you would enter the product's link. After confirming, the button will be added to your site. To enhance the user experience, consider adding an image of the product. Once everything is set up, preview your website to ensure everything works smoothly. Your payment gateway is now seamlessly integrated into your Google site, allowing visitors to make purchases with ease.